Hi, my name is Seri, and I'm happy to be taking part in this important initiative. We, Bnei Israel, the Jewish people, are from different tribes. We have different flags, colors, languages, and customs. Yet despite this, there are things that unite us. Beyond the fact that we are all sons and daughters of Adam and Eve, we are brothers and sisters within the Jewish people. We share communal identity and characters that we received from Moses on Mount Sinai. The mitzvah of Shabbat that was introduced in the first portion of the Torah holds fast up to today. Every Shabbat, we read the weekly Torah portion, that parasha that belongs to that particular Shabbat. My personal mission is to reach as many communities around the world and share the depth and the breadth of the weekly Torah portion. As an actor, I know the importance of words, melodies, and emotions. Those same elements are what drew me to reconnect the parasha and helped show its relevance today. My book, 52 Weeks of Devotion, is a year-long guide to the Bible. It lets us reconnect with our faith and show how much the Torah that we received on Mount Sinai is still relevant to us today. Although the Torah is thousands of years old, it is a living being that is renewed each year and each day. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.
לדעת, אל נסתכן לגבי המחר. יש לפעמים שסיבה לא נודעת, יש פעמים שנסתר הדבר, יש דברים נסתרים, לא נבין לא נדע. נעשה גם דברים שנראים בלי סיבה, לא צריך כל דבר לחקור ולשאול, לפעמים גם מותר לא לדעת הכל.